Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Longevity is considered a risk for retirees because it's hard to plan for. So, Calvin, how do we plan for this so we don't have to really dread the idea of living too long in retirement?
That's right. And people are living longer than ever. In fact, one of the fastest growing demographics in America are people 90 and over, and nearly 70% of them are women. So one of the best things you can do is work with a retirement planning specialist to build out a written comprehensive plan for retirement where you know where all of your income is going to come from, and you can stress test the plan to see how long is it going to last and make sure you can answer the question, am I going to be okay? Now you want to factor in things like healthcare costs, changes in tax rates, and even inflation. We don't know what's going to happen with interest rates and inflation long term, so we need some flexibility in that plan, and we should check in on it about every 6 months.
Right, and this is really challenging because when it comes to how long we'll live in retirement, no one really knows. That's why it's a good idea to get started on planning early, and you have some resources that can help.
That's right. There's a window of opportunity right now, Jen, and our team has put together this retirement roadmap kit with all sorts of tips and tools to help you navigate your retirement if you're going to live a longer life. Now, the average person 65 today could live on average 15 to 20 more years or longer. So whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit will help you navigate a longer retirement.
You can get that today. Just call, text, or go online, and you can get Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit. Calvin, thanks for joining me today.
Thanks for having me.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.